Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI NOVA Y61 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into Themes app or Access Devices Settings. Click on Home Screen and Wallpaper. Tap on Themes at the top left corner. Scroll all the way down and tap on More Themes. From here, you need to choose Tab at the bottom over here. Select the best option for you or click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Free. So sorry, misclick. Now select the best theme by clicking on it. I will go with this one. Following that, choose Download. Wait a couple of seconds and click on Apply. Then do whatever you wish to in Magazine Unlock pop-up. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my Huawei has changed. But you can always go back to your default one by accessing theme settings again, but this time selecting Me section at the bottom right corner. Now tap on one of those themes, like Bubble Tea, and click on Apply. If you wish to delete one of your downloaded themes, go into the same settings. Click on the Me section again at the bottom right corner. Choose My Themes over here. Hold the one that you wish to get rid of. And finally, select this bin icon next to Apply. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!